Hey guys, TechLife here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the black version of the Snowball iCE microphone. So this is a plug-and-play USB microphone on Amazon. It's quite cheap, I think it's around £50, but I will leave a link down in the description if you want to go and buy it for yourself. That will be affiliate link, so if you want to go and support the channel, then you can do that. But here it says you can improve audio quality on Skype, Twitch and FaceTime. Crystal clear audio to recordings on YouTube, which is what I'm going to use it for. Podcast, narration, instruments or vocals, and it's plug and play, so no drivers. There you go. So, anyway, inside this little box you have the tripod that is included. Just take a quick look at that. So it's quite good build quality, nice and sturdy. Here, there's the tripod. And then we also have a manual and a cable. So let's look at the device itself. If you pull the box out, then here it is. It's quite heavy. It feels very durable. It's plastic, but it feels like high quality plastic. It's got my fingerprints all over it because it's quite the fingerprint magnet gets cold. But it's got like a nice metal grills and like metal ports here, so it feels very sturdy. I like the design.
So far I haven't had any problems with it, and I really like it. The way it sounds, the way it works, and the way it looks. I think it's a really good purchase. I would definitely recommend it if you're looking for a cheaper mic. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please smash the like button, comment what you want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.